In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all history in ChatGPT. If you want a clean slate or you're preparing your account for a fresh start, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact steps to permanently remove all your past conversations. Keep in mind, this action can't be undone, so only proceed if you're sure you don't need anything from your previous chats. First, open ChatGPT and look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. This is where you'll find settings and other account options that control how ChatGPT behaves for you. Next, click Settings. The Settings window is where ChatGPT groups important preferences and privacy options. We're heading there to manage your data, not to change features or appearance. So don't worry. Nothing else will be altered by following along. Inside Settings, select Data Controls. This section is specifically designed to help you manage your conversation data and privacy choices. It's separate from the toggle that controls whether future chats are saved. What we're doing here is focused on removing chats that already exist in your account history. Now, find the option labeled Delete All Chats. This is the command that removes every conversation from your account's history and from the sidebar list. When you click it, ChatGPT will prompt you to confirm, because deleting everything is permanent. Take a brief moment to make sure you truly want to proceed. If there's anything you may need later, like a snippet of code, an idea list, or a summary, consider whether you've saved it elsewhere before continuing. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, ChatGPT will clear all your chats. You won't see your previous conversations in the sidebar anymore, and your history list will be empty. This does not cancel any subscription you might have, it doesn't delete your account, and it doesn't change your future history settings. It simply removes all existing chat records from your account. And that's it. You clicked your profile icon, opened Settings, went to Data Controls, selected Delete All Chats, and confirmed. If you plan to keep your history clear going forward, remember that Data Controls is also where you manage how new chats are saved. But for now, you've successfully deleted everything from your past conversations. Thanks for following along, and take care when using this option since it can't be reversed.